Hello, in this video I want to give you a better impression what it looks like to work with DesignaKnit and eKnitter together. For everyone who does not know what eKnitter is, you find a link in the comments, and you will also find a link to DesignaKnit if you want to find out more about this software. So first of all, I will turn on my machine, and you see immediately that's not what it looks in the original because we have an eKnitter installed inside, and you see it connects automatically to my home Wi-Fi. No cable connected to the computer, only the power supply cable from the machine, and that's it. And my laptop also has only a power supply cable. And now I want to send a pattern from DesignaKnit to my knitting machine. So therefore I will open DesignaKnit. Let's go to a stitch pattern. Then I click on option, method of knitting. Here I select my knitting machine. This if I have done it last time, I would not need to do it again, but I will show it you. So this is what you would do initially. So you will look for your machine and you will select eKnitter machine, click on setup, detect eKnitters. It finds your machine and lists here. If you have more than one eKnitter machine, it would list all of them, but only if they are also turned on. So I have one machine, I select, I click OK. And now I go to interactive knitting. Select the pattern I would like to knit. This pattern I want to start from the beginning. Then I click on the orange light to start knitting. And then it says move the carriage from the left side inwards, and you hear a little beep. It transferred the pattern to the knitting machine with 550 rows. This is the same row which you also see here. Now I select the first row, then I click on OK here in this software. Then I go back, and then it says change to the lace carriage. Now change to the main carriage, and now change to the lace carriage again. Now I will demonstrate what will happen if I use the wrong carriage. In this case I will not use the lace carriage, I will use K carriage, and it immediately recognized that I used the wrong that I moved the carriage in the wrong direction. So I will move back the carriage, click OK, because now I want to start the lace row which I just missed. So I fix what I did incorrectly on my knitting, and then I click the green light again. You hear a beep again because it transferred the pattern or the pattern information for the starting with the lace. So now I will start knitting with the lace. But we also know that some users only use for simple pattern just to transfer the pattern to the machine without using the interactive knitting mode. So this you can also do. You just transfer the pattern and then, for example, go to a different area of the area, so that now we are left the interactive knitting mode, but my pattern is still transferred over here. So now we say we want to start from the beginning. I click on CE, and now I start with the first row again. 2 rows K. So now I have to move it to carriage. Now I move the K carriage. and I'm not using the interactive knitting mode anymore. So that's it. If you have any question, if you would like me to show something else, or something is not clear, please leave a comment below. And yes, that's it.